Welcome back everyone. So today I will be showing you that how you can easily upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10. Now if you're using Windows 10 on a supported hardware that contains 4GB of RAM, TPM secure boot enabled with the supported CPU, then it's very simple. You can make a right click on the Windows icon, click on settings, click on update and security. And here you can click on check for update and you will be getting a notification where you can click on it and easily upgrade to Windows 11. But in case if you don't find that option over here, or you get a message that says this PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirement, then next what you will have to do, bring up any of your favorite browser. In the search box you have to type Windows 11 ISO download. Click on the first link of Microsoft that says download Windows 11. Now here you have to scroll down and click on the drop down that says select download, choose Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. Then click on download, choose the product language, click on confirm, click on 64-bit download, and the downloading will be now started. Now it's around 6.3 GB, so it will take some time, so wait until it's all been done. Now once the ISO has been downloaded, just make a right click on it and you have to choose extract to Win1123H2 English x64. In case if you don't have the WinRAR, then you have to download the WinRAR so that you can extract it. Okay, select this option, extract to Win1123H2, and the extraction process will now be started. So again it will take some time, so wait until it's all been done. Okay, so the extraction has been completed and a new folder has been created by the name Windows 11 23H2, that is the latest version. Now if you want to delete this ISO file, then you can go ahead and delete it. We don't need anymore. So finally bring up the Windows 11 folder and now here you will find all kind of Windows 11 installation file. Now let's say that if you are on a supported PC, then you can just double click on the setup folder, click on yes, and here you can click on next. And if your Windows 10 is supported, then you can easily go ahead and install Windows 11 using this process. But in case if your Windows 10 doesn't meet the system requirement and you get this kind of message, then next what you have to do, in order to upgrade to Windows 11, now there are two different options. Either you can apply a simple trick, or else you will have to create a bootable USB using the Rufus software. So first we will be applying a simple trick because that is the easier work to upgrade to Windows 11. So here only where you find all kind of your Windows 11 installation file. Now here you have to click on the sources folder, double click on it, and then you have to look for a file here that is by the name appraisers.dll. Here it is, appraisers.dll. Once you get it, make a right click on it, click on open with, click on show apps and choose notepad. Click on OK. The notepad will be coming up with this kind of information. Now here exactly what you will have to do. You have to click on edit, click on select all. Now right click on it and choose delete. Now once everything is being deleted, again click on file and click on save. Once it's been saved, now you can close it. And this time if I go back and again double click on the setup here, click on yes. Now it will say install Windows 11. Change how setup download update. So you will have to click on it and select it to not right now. Now don't worry, you will not be having any problem with the update. So just select not right now, then click on next. Again it will be checking for your PC and this time it will automatically bypass the TPM secure boot and the CPU check requirement. Alright, and you have to click on accept now. And it says making sure you are ready to install, so again wait for some time. Now it says ready to install, so this is another important part. Now if you don't want to lose any of your information, so here you have to make sure that it's been selected to keep personal file and application. Okay, so it says you will be able to manage your Windows settings. It will keep all your personal file and application. Okay, so make sure this option is being selected, then click on next. And now finally you will have to click on install. The installation process will now be started. So this time you will have to wait until it's all been done. Alright, so now finally we got the Windows 11 login screen. We have to enter the same password because it's the same local account that we had on Windows 10. So enter your password, hit the enter key. And now it will be loading up the desktop. So kindly wait for some more time until all the initialization has been finished. Bingo. So now you can see that our Windows 10 has been finally upgraded to Windows 11 without any kind of data loss. So you can see that all the data that we had on our desktop, these wallpaper, that still exists on our Windows 11 machine. And even if I go to the download section, so you can find all these files over here that we had on Windows 10. This is the best and the easiest way to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 without any kind of bootable USB. Now in case if this method also doesn't work for you, then you can go with the third method. Then finally what you will have to do, you need to create a bootable USB using the Rufus. So download the Rufus software and download the Windows 11 ISO. Once you have downloaded both of them, open the Rufus software. And here on the top, you will have to select the USB that you want to make a bootable USB. Select it. Then from the boot selection, click on the select option and locate to the Windows 11 ISO that you have downloaded. Once it's selected, you will have to click on next. And now finally you will be getting this kind of message, this kind of box where it will be helping you to bypass each and everything like TPM secure boot check, 4 GB of RAM. So just select all these options. You can also select the Microsoft account bypass. And once selected, now you have to start the process. So now this time when this bootable USB will be created, you can connect to your Windows 10 computer, boot with this particular bootable USB. And the next time again you will be coming to the Windows installation page. Now here you can select all the options, all the instructions in order to install Windows 11. Alright, so this method is only for the people in case the first and the second method doesn't work. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.